and we all are together, then so you all must be thinking that, oh, I have forgot this and I forgot that, but no. Oh, I forgot my introduction. Hi everyone, my name is Priya. If you're new here, my name is Priya Kira. Welcome back to my channel. It has been really long since I've shot a video. Actually, I've been really busy. I'll not lie, but today I'm on a layover, but I had a day off. So it's like, this is the time we'll record the video because it's raining outside. We're in Kerala and it's raining so badly. Can't really go out. Hi, so I don't know, something happened. I was saying it's raining so badly here कि हम लोग कहीं जा भी नहीं पाएंगे. तो it's okay, but tomorrow I have a flight in the morning, so I'll sleep it off in the night. But I wanted to tell you something. I have made the group. It's not a broadcast group because I didn't have enough followers, but it's like a group where we all can talk. So like, you can also drop a text, I can also drop a text, and this group is gonna be really useful for all of us because you can share your experiences with me, with all the other people, and I can share my experiences with you, so we all can, just sit and talk there. So what I'll do is I'll attach the group link in the description of this video. You all can go there, follow me, and then join the group. Okay, so because it requires, like, I have put the security feature on, so nobody SA joins. Okay, you just drop I want to join in the comment section, drop the text there, and then join the link from there, and I'll add you there. So much there. Anyway, the thing is, when I record videos after a very long time, I just feel like I'm recording it for the first time, and I was just getting a hang of it before, but now it's all gone. But I try every day because there are people who ask me, and then I feel like I'm responsible for you all. So so I take responsibility for all of you. So I am here. So in that group, I'll quickly give you a brief about it. What we'll do is I'll drop the eligibility criteria of all the airlines. I'll make eligibility criteria of international airlines, whatever airline is hiring right now. And sometimes we have this random questions ki, ये कैसे होता है, वो कैसे होता है. So you can just drop it there because यहाँ पे अगर आप डाल रहे हो तो मैं नहीं बता पा रही हूँ अच्छे से, बट अगर आप वहाँ पे डाल रहे हो, सो मे बी आई ड्रॉप एन ऑडियो एंड मे बी योर क्वेश्चन इज हेल्पिंग अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल बिकॉज द सेम क्वेश्चन कम्स टू ऑल ऑफ आवर माइंड्स, राइट. सो हम वो कर सकते हैं. बाकी join the group. Please tell me what are your suggestions, and please tell me what can we name the group, because right now I is randomly all the info rag diya hai, so we can put all the information there, but I would really suggest you all to give me a very nice name for it, so we all can go there, join it, talk and enjoy, and make this journey a very smooth journey and help each other, support each other, because I personally feel I don't believe in competition. I mean, till the time you're nice to me, I'll be nice to you. You be kind to me, I'll be kind to you. Don't cross the lines. We are happy together. But as soon as things go wrong, then a lot of things go wrong. Anyway, my point being that we all share the same vision. We say that because we share the same vision, I feel we all should be encouraging each other to be better. And it's not just about being a crew. A lot of people wanted to join ground staff or Air India sets or whatever. So I have friends there also. We can take them in the videos. Ow, batao. So we can do that. But for now, I'm gonna end this video. I'll not make it a very long video because this was just an update for you guys, so you can join the group ASAP, where we can discuss the eligibility criteria and we'll discuss everything together. So go quickly and join and let me know. And I was thinking that because I'm going on layovers right now, so if you want me to record the vlogs, please let me know. I'll record it and I'll be there for you guys in case you require to ask. See, I'm talking like ऐसे ना जैसे we brief ना जब, तो like that in case you require any assistance or you want to ask something, please let me know. वही मेरा ऐसे आ जाता है because I'm so busy. This is the proof for you guys to see that I'm actually very busy. However, I'm gonna go now. It is always very nice to come in front of the camera and thinking that you all must be waiting for my video and talk. It was very nice. I'm gonna go now. Bye bye. Love you so much. Please take care of yourself and join the group ASAP as soon as possible. I don't know what I'm trying to say. All I want is for you all to be there so we can talk and discuss things, and follow me, guys. Bye bye. Sometimes I feel that I am not this sophisticated. I'm a very quirky person. I'm very fun person to be with. But when I come here, I have to act like, oh, I am so like, well, I am a very like, a person has a lot of sides, so I am like that. But then again, it's like this, one time what happened, I started this channel as like, I wanted to help you guys. If you like, I'll be your elder sister, whatever help you need, I'll be there. It was like that. But these people, they started commenting, why are you not serious in your videos, why are you just talking, why bro, because this is my channel, I wanted to be fun here, and that's what I'm doing. But if you all want me to be very serious in my videos and sit like this and be like, this is the information, I'm gonna go bye bye bye, I can't do this. But if you still wanted a lot of like, if a lot of you will want it, then I will do it. Sometimes I think too much when it comes to my mouth, I can't talk that fast, so it happens. But your reminder, if you want me to do that, I can do that for you as well. But I am finally going and I'll not come back now. Bye bye. Saw that video and I said I'll go and I'll not come back. Bro, I am not gonna die. I don't want this video to be my like last sort of reminder that no, I'm gonna come back tomorrow, not today. But I still came back. Bye.